Good afternoon, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. And on this channel, you guys are going to find videos that help you and teach you how to make money online. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014. I started this YouTube channel back in 2017. It's been growing ever since. So don't forget to like this video, share it, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when first subscribe, then tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give you just for saying thank you for watching this video. Okay, so as I was on my YouTube channel today, or on YouTube, I was just scrolling through videos, had a notification pop up about this app called Zen, and it's an app where you get paid to refer people and to watch videos. It's an app that's been around for a minute, but it's been updated, and I just want to talk about it. And I'll leave the referral link in the description below if you guys decide that you want to join me.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
So here we are. It says invite 5 friends and up to $110. Enter your friend's referral code and earn $1 now. Invite 5 friends to earn 110. Watch videos and earn points. So basically, you can earn points by inviting your friends, entering your friend's referral code. And as you can see right here, I have 70 cents. I've already cashed out today 30 cents. So this is basically showing I have 7 cents in here. So you can withdraw up to $50. Only one withdrawal chance per day. So you can only withdraw once per day. And you can withdraw $5, $10, $20, or $50. Okay, so excuse me. Points less than 100 cannot be converted. So it has to be 100 points or more to be converted, okay? And you will get a newcomer reward for $1. You get 100 points. So I withdrew my 30 cents, and I was paid that today, and I'm going to show you that as well. So right now I have 70 points. Basically 70 cents. I have no points to redeem, but I have 70 cents. Okay? So let me see what this does. So I basically have 7 cents, and I have to have more than 7 cents to withdraw. Has to be 100 points or more. So I just wanted to bring you guys this app because, you know, you can also, when you decide to join under me, you can follow me. And, you know, whenever I post something, you know, you'll see it.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
So you see here I got 500 points, but that's equal to 5 cents. So as you can see, 5 points, 500 points, if that's 5 cents, 100 points is only 10 cents. 200 points is 20 cents. 300 points is 30 cents. So on and so forth. So 1,000 points would be considered $1. Okay? So you gotta get the gist. 5,000 points would be $5. So on and so forth. Okay? So it shows you right here, I just redeemed 500 points, but it's only equivalent to 5 cents. So let's see. So that's basically it. I wanted to come over here and show you this.
Tuesday.
Because I think you guys should know about new apps, new websites, anything new that I come up on that, you know, will actually help you in making money online. Okay, so this is basically you earn $20 per friend. Every 5 friends you earn an extra $10. There's no limit. You can invite more and you can earn more. Earn $6 when your friend signs up and watches videos. Earn an extra $2 when your friend watches videos for the next 2 days. Okay, so step 1 would be to share your referral code with your friends. Invite your friends to download Zen and enter your referral code. Earn up to $8 and 120,000 points for each friend you invite. Activity rules. Rules of user activities. No purchase or payment of any kind is necessary to enter or win an award. By downloading and using the Zen mobile app, every app user will receive an award for using the participating app. You guys want to go through and read this because these are the rules of the app. Okay? Excuse me. But I'm going to go ahead and show you proof that I did receive my 30 cents from this app. So you guys can see proof that I'm not lying to you, that I actually... It's only 30 cents, but hold on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in so I can show you proof. It's only 30 cents, and I know you guys are like, 30 cents, that's not a lot of money, but it doesn't matter. This is proof that it paid me. This is from the Quinn app. It says you received 30 cents from, it says, sounds like Kiwa Inc. So that's the, basically the, the app that paid me the 30 cents today. So, like I said, 30 cents is not a lot, but better than nothing. And it's just proof that the app does pay. So I will be leaving the referral link below if you guys are interested. And don't forget to check the description as well for the free gifts I said I was going to give you for staying and watching this video to the end. So don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care.